Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2023 Chrysler Voyager equipped with the FR Conversions rear entry manual ramp. Let's go ahead and bring down the ramp. So this one's going to have the automatic lift gate. It will also have a backup camera. We will use these latches to unlock the ramp. You can bring it down like so. So this ramp here is going to be 36 inches wide. Entrance height from the floor to the top of the door is going to be 56 inches. As you guys can see, this one is going to have a jump seat that will fit an additional 2 people. Now that the seat is folded out of the way, you can have the wheelchair user in the back here. As we make our way inside, this one is going to have captain's chairs in the middle. This van here only has 37,000 miles. Let's go ahead and bring the ramp back in. You will need to lock it and then close the lift gate. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair ramp. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 37,000 miles. You will also have a backup camera. Here is the view of the front. And here is the view of the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.